Directions to the next universe. 1. Find a good seat in your starship and fire each rocket in the correct sequence towards the Milky Way, making sure to avoid dizzying pulsars and troublesome grains of cosmic dust. 2. Follow the very next cloud of nebula to the inner planets, which are within the asteroid belt: Mercury, Venus, Mars. 3. From there, take an elliptical orbit to the outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Don't be fooled by the many slow-turning satellites launched from a multitude of global Earth stations. They are not real stars. 4. Now carefully navigate your way through great swathes of real shooting stars. You might want to stop occasionally for a photo as bright burning meteorites fall like dazzling fireworks into Earth's atmosphere. 5. When you eventually arrive at the dark Kuiper belt, remember to dress up warm and then thoughtfully steer your craft through the thousands of wild flying comets, asteroids, and various bits of space junk. 6. Take a short break, if you wish, at one of the many star constellations. Following the directions provided, adjust your instruments to chart the next step, which will take you safely past a sea of great black hole quasars. Be extremely diligent during this phase. The last thing in the world you would want is to tumble into one of these hungry holes that lead to nowhere and where you would be trapped for a very long time. Forever, in fact. 7. It is only now that you can relax a bit, as you find yourself floating through numerous starbursts in new galaxies. Of course, if you glance back through your rear window, it will become apparent that your home, planet Earth, with its great blue and white swirls, is light years away. You might enjoy watching its slow rotation, and if you are extremely observant, you will also see its moon, the familiar one you see most nights, travelling its very own special orbit around Earth. 8. At this point, if cosmic luck is on your side, you might even hurtle past a fabulous supernova, exploding into a luminous stellar bang. 9. At last, you will arrive at the Andromeda Galaxy, which is only 2.2 million light years from Earth. It is so bright here that probably your family and friends might be able to spot you, even without a telescope, and perhaps wave. 10. If you decide to continue, you must adjust all instruments to guide you safely to the next spiraling triangulum galaxy. 11. Of course, if you wish to return to your mother planet at this stage, you could definitely be there for dinner. Just rotate your time belt, adjust your coordinates to Earth, and set your wavelengths correctly. 12. When you are ready to time space travel, remember to tap the quark star, which will ignite all the nuclear particles you require for a safe flight home. 13. Finally, should you wish to return to continue your galactic explorations tomorrow, or even the day after, it is always possible to ask a passing astronaut for a lift. But you must take care to make sure your anti-gravitational power is fully activated and switched on. Hope you have a very pleasant and exciting flight. Please feel free to like this travel site. We already have an astronomical number of likes, and your like can make all the difference.